360 panoramic stitching will start with the cloth perpendicular to the body in front of the car center. The back of the car is also placed vertically. Place this cloth vertically. Make sure the two cloths are centered parallel to each other. Headway. We're in front of the camera. Front view. Push down the front view to see the full cloth. Same with the rear camera. To be able to see the full cloth in the rear camera. Left camera presses left view to see front and back. You can see the whole black block. The entire black block is also visible on the right side. If you can't see it, the cloth isn't long enough to increase the width of the cloth appropriately. Now we press OK on the remote control. Access to the menu. Select Panorama Commissioning. Enter a password. Access to the menu. Camera type is set here by default. The default settings are fine. Debugging cloth selection. Default selection 6.6 meters. Manual 2 cloths. These are the default settings. No changes required. Then go to auto splicing and press OK. Here's the length and width of the car. We have to enter the captain to follow the car according to the actual car. For example, your car is 2.5 meters wide, then your actual car width, you can enter 2.6 meters or 2.7 meters. It's a little wider than the width of the car. Assuming your car is 10 meters long, you can lose by a little over 10 meters, and the car is 10 meters long. He's going to take two lengths of cloth. Let's say this cloth in front is 50 centimeters from the front of the car. The cloth in the back is 50 centimeters from the rear of the car. Then the length of the car here should be 11 meters. After changing the length and width of the car here, we choose to take a picture with one click. Finish taking pictures. It doesn't matter if the cloth is blown away by the wind. And then we'll go in here separately. Aim for the front, back, left and right. We'll start with the left side. Left camera for point of aim. Aiming point. Here you can pay attention to we're in the upper left corner of this. The picture is labeled using our screen as a reference point. Bottom left to bottom right are 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the first point. The middle one shows a partial enlargement of this. Localized enlargement of the image. Let's aim for the first dot. The second dot, third point, fourth point, the fifth point, sixth point, seventh point, point 8. After you've aimed at all 8 points, press the return button of the remote control. Select next. Let's say the right aiming point. Aim left, right, forward, and back here. You can do whatever you want with this one, but all 4 cameras need to be sighted in before it's done. The center one is a partial enlargement. You see we can fine-tune it appropriately. First point, second point, thirdly, fourth, fifthly, sixthly, seventh and eighth. Press return when you're done with this. The next one. Notice this image in the upper left corner. All 4 cameras using this display of ours as a reference. It's all from the top left to the top right. Bottom left to bottom right are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's no need to identify it. It's all the same. I'm done with this one, too. We have a rear sight. If this point is far away, what about the up, down, left and right arrow keys on this remote control? Long press it can move fast. Short press, Q is moving slowly. We've got all 4 cameras on point now. Select one-click stitching here. Just a minute, the splicing is done. This is after we finished stitching. You can see the cloth inside this range of display R. It's all more correct. There's no problem with that. Then the splice is complete. Let's hit return. It then does the parameter saving. After we save it, we'll run some fine-tuning of details. The device will reboot. Just a moment. The device has been rebooted. At this point, we're also going to go into this prospect strip. Enter your password here. Some fine-tuning of this prospect left visual channel. Make some single screen adjustments. These don't need to be adjusted. Forward vision picture. In astrophysics, we could do a pan of the image. Resizing. You choose panning, then you press OK. Then press up, down, left, right. He can then step through the screen. Resizing. It's panning. Let's move over to the zoom function here. Press OK. Then we press up and down. It'll just stretch the frame a little bit, flatten it out a bit. The car doesn't look like it will. The car in front won't. It looks like a bamboo pole. Same with the rear view. We start by panning the image, then scale the image. Select left view. Mainly this time of year, we can pan the image, show the bodywork. Be sure to look right. Pan the image, show the bodywork, too. Panning to a symmetrical position. That's basically it. Zoom can be immobile. Let's tune in. Left and right distortion correction. We call it limited width mode. We can move the image a bit more in left view. Moving to both sides of the wheel is basically symmetrical. The right side can also be panned by panning the image. Make the left and right sides symmetrical. It's basically symmetry between the left and right sides. Here's the zoomed image, and adjust the bend. For example, at this bend in the right eye, we have this press. After selecting him, press OK. You can put this body. The bends are properly adjusted. The left view can be moved here as well. Let's adjust the curvature in the left view. OK, that's all done. We have a left rear. Pan the image. The light's a little low right now. Right rear. Pan the image. After the left, the hand we pan down again. And then it's done. Select Return when you've finished adjusting everything. Try autosave and go back. And then what if we have an SD card? Let's save it. Tap here to save. We have SD cards. What about the calibrated data? Just export the configuration. After exporting the configuration, if it's the same vehicle, camera mounting positions are all the same in the case of we can then take our exported configuration, select Import Configuration on the next device. In that case, it's possible to calibrate the parameters of this car. Save it to the next device. You don't have to calibrate every single one of them. And so far, this calibration of ours, there's still some fine-tuning to do and we're done. We're gonna have to reload this equipment. We've saved the parameters as well. And after the reboot, we can look at it at this time. This is our 2D model. Forward, reverse 1. This is a rear view zoom. Limited width mode. Both of these wheels are more precise. Curb rash pattern. That's our front view in streaming mode. R. Forward vision. Forward vision. Front view magnification. Just one application. So here it is. Splicing and debugging is complete.